applying for the MBLEx. To begin registration, navigate to the FSMTB website at www.fsmtb.org. Select MBLEx from the main menu bar. Select FSMTB examination account from the drop-down menu. Select the FSMTB Examination Center link. Select the Click Here to Register button. Enter your contact information in the fields provided. Select the Submit Registration button. Select the New MBLEx Application button. Next, you will complete the introduction section. Select the link to read the Massage and Bodywork Licensing Examination Candidate Handbook. Check the box acknowledging you have read the Candidate Handbook. Select Save and Next. Next, you will complete the applicant information section. Enter your contact information in the fields provided. Check the box indicating you understand the identification policy for the test site. Select Save and Next. Next, you will complete the education section. In this section, you will provide information about the school you attended. Select a school type category from the drop-down menu. Additional information will be required about your education, based on the category you choose. A U.S. institution is a school that is open, state-approved, and located within the United States. A non-U.S. institution is a school that is open and located outside of the United States. An apprentice is a person who is learning from a state-approved apprenticeship provider. Select Other Not Listed, if your school is not listed, or your school is closed. Check the box to acknowledge that your school must provide verification of your education directly to the FSMTB. Select the link to view the MBLEx content outline. Check the box to acknowledge you have received education in all subject areas on the MBLEx content outline. Select Save and Next. Next, you will complete the Testing Accommodations section. Indicate whether you require testing accommodations under the Americans with Disabilities Act. Select Save and Next. Next, you will complete the exam language section. Select whether you would like to take the test in English or Spanish. Select Save and Next. Next, you will complete the reporting exam results section. Select the Add button. Indicate where you want your exam results sent, at no charge. Reports sent to additional states are $40 each. If you select Kansas, Minnesota, or Wyoming, indicate the name and address of the town, city, or municipality. Select Save. Select Save and Next. Carefully read and check each box to acknowledge you agree to comply with each statement. Enter only your first and last name in the signature box. Do not enter a middle name. Enter the date in the date box. Select Save and Next. Next, you will complete the fee and payment section. The invoice number and total payment due will be displayed here. Enter credit card information. Enter billing information. Please ensure the billing address matches the address associated with the credit card. You will receive an order confirmation and receipt via email after you submit your completed application. Select Pay and Submit to complete your application. The confirmation email will explain the next steps in the process.